everybody, welcome back to Pixie Suds. We're in our little soap studio again today. I wanted to do a little unboxing. This is my old soap cutter or log splitter. Love her. I don't think I can ever part ways, but it was time for a bigger one. This one's only a 5-inch width, so it was hard to cut my high tops if I made any. Not sponsored by this company. I've seen other soap makers use their equipment and I've never purchased from them before. So I'm super excited to see what's inside. Again, I am not sponsored by them. I paid full price for this. I didn't get any discounts or anything like that, so you guys know. Super excited. It did take a little bit to get to me, but you know, shipping. Ooh, got a little spatula. I love these. I've got a whole collection. Not from them, but from other places. Add it to my collection. It's pretty color. It's a coral. Packing slab. Very cool. Ooh, she is pretty. Very well packaged, especially with the way some of these shipping companies handle our packages. Oh my goodness. I have had some disasters happen. Oh wow, look at that. I got the black one. They have white and black. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a black one. Wow, this is really pretty. Oh look, it's got a little slide. Put the soap on. Wires. Some little bolts in there. I don't know what that's for. Oh, perfect. It comes with directions, because I was like, I wonder how you put that stuff in there. It'll do diagonal cuts. You can pause the video if you want to read it. Splitter and beveler. I use a beveler, a hand beveler, so I probably will never use that. Definitely the log splitter. This is pretty cool. You can make 2 different color soaps and then put them together. That's really cool. That's pretty much it, guys. This is a really nice log splitter. I'm excited. It's a lot wider than my other one. Here's a side-by-side. So it is a lot wider. It's hard to see because this one's black. But it came with 3 wires. Camera's hard. So here's a closer look. Basically, I put the wire through the bottom, brought it up to the little guitar roly-poly thing. I call it a roly-poly. Then you have to measure, see which one of these little holes. I needed to be at least close as possible to 2.5, so I just took my ruler and got it as close as possible to 2.5. Because that's where I want to cut my logs at. And it says, you just slide it through. You have to be careful, it does kind of want to fall out for some reason. Then we're going to weed it through the little pre-made slit there, and the wire is going to rest on top of the metal. I guess the wire will hold that in place. And we're going to come to this side, same thing. Used my ruler, measured 2.5, closest little hole on the top. And I guess we just weed this through the guitar. Roly-poly, like I like to call it. I did forget to grab my wire cutters. And then we just turn it, just like our other one. Easier said than done, right? I might have messed this up. Oh, we'll find out. It would be nice if I had my cutters, my wire cutters. Go dig and find my wire cutters. Now, once I tighten my wire, I don't loosen it because I think that the tightening and loosening on the tension on the actual wire, personally, I think it will break it. So I like to listen to it, and then I just stopped when it's got nice little tension on it. I never untighten it once I've tightened it up. So I'm gonna take my ruler and see if it's actually at 2.5 where I need it. And it is not. It is way too high. It's at 2.625 and I need it to be a little lower than that or my logs will not be even. So, interesting. I might have to go down one more peg. So let's see what happens when I loosen the wire up and try to move the little peg. See if it works that way and I don't have to undo the whole thing. Go down one more. Okay, that wasn't too hard. It's just really hard to see. All right, let's tighten that back up and see where we're at. Hope I'm not boring you to death, but I was looking on YouTube to see if I could find a video of someone, you know, that has one of these that's put it together, and I couldn't find anything. Well, I couldn't find anything. Somebody might have posted one, I just didn't find it. Let's see where we're at now. Right on the money. Yay. 2.5. Perfect. I love that sound. Okay. So I'm going to go get my wire cutters and I'll be right back. Okay. I'll give it a couple more little spins around the little guitar spool thing. Oops, sorry. That was loud. Just give myself a little bit of playroom from when I keep tightening it. Over time, I like to tighten it a little bit more. Like I said, I never loosen the whole thing completely. I've never done it over the years that I've had log splitters and soap cutters and all that. I've never, and I'm talking, it's been 10 years. I have never loosened it and then the next time I use it, tighten it. I leave it tight. I leave that tension on there. This thing is so... I save these. I never get rid of these because I can use the leftover pieces on my soap cutter, the individual soap cutter. So I never throw these little pieces away. I always save them. Beats going to a guitar store or ordering a whole nother set. And when you're in a pinch and you've got soap you need to get cut. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and unmold a couple of, you guys wanna watch me unmold a couple of soaps? Sure, why not, right? Clean my mess up. I'm excited. Oh, I'm so excited. These are all my wooden boxes from Heritage Soap. I'll put the link down below. Love their molds. I've had these for a very, very long time. So much so that I have to put little sheets of paper in between the silicone and the box because they're so like, they're getting warped. It's time for a new set. So I just put little pieces of paper and little pieces of whatever to hold it in place. Hope you guys' day is going good. I've got a lot to get done today. I've got all these soaps to cut. We're getting close to the holidays and I've got so much to get done, as we know, all of us do. During this time of the year, it gets really busy and you think you're just so ahead and you're not. I try. This is one of the original, like the very first designs that they were making. So this one, the bottom slides off like a little trap door. So the bottom slides off and then the soap comes out the bottom. So I've got some of the very few first boxes. So Workshop Heritage Soap Supplies. You better, when I ordered these, I got them on Etsy, but now I don't think they're on Etsy. They have their own .com. So like I said, I'll put the link in the description. Here comes the fun part. I'll bring you in close so you can see it. I made a couple of honey soaps, so if you see these on the tops, that means they have honey in them. I used honey from Bee Haven. She's a local honey producer. This one's my favorite soap. It's an oatmeal and honey, and it's unscented. I like to steam the tops of my soaps. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but I like it. This is probably my favorite part. This is our orange essential oil, turmeric, and raw honey soap. This one, I put all the things in it. Oatmeal, honey, turmeric, activated charcoal, rosemary essential oil. It's a nice soap. I like this one. I like all my soaps, and this is an in the pot swirl. Makes the prettiest designs. Love the inside of this soap. It's so pretty. This is the last one, eucalyptus. Loving my new cutter. Log splitter, not cutter.